Today we're going to make chocolate cinnamon roll. Here are the ingredients: flour, sugar, egg, butter with milk, salt, yeast, cinnamon powder, chocolate. We're going to mix the yeast to the butter milk mixture. We were going to stir it. We're going to mix all dry ingredients. We're going to make a well and put the egg. And let's do. It's a volcano. Still wet. We're going to add the proof yeast. It's hot, a little bit. Hot. And it's melting, guys. Nagbaband. We're going to mix it by using a hand mixer. After mixing, we're going to fold it in with our hands. You got to stretch it to make sure that your dough is good. Yep. We're going to rest the dough to the oil-based bowl. Make sure that your dough is fully coated by the oil. We're going to cover it for an hour for proofing. We're going to mix the cinnamon powder to the sugar. You can have brown sugar if you want. Look, it's like real cinnamon. After an hour, we're going to open it. And what it looks like. It got a sound. It says and look. That's my punch. Uh-oh. Look at this. It's like an egg cake, right? It's because it has these feels and sounds.
That's because of the gas.
It's because of the gas. I'm making a pizza, making a pan. And we're going to roll it. Look, it's flat already. And we're going to brush it with butter. After the butter, we're going to add the powdered cinnamon sugar. Wow! Ang dami dun. Snake, oh. It looks like a snake. And then we're going to put the chocolate. Oops. It's basa. And we're going to roll it here to here. This looks like a log already, and then we're going to cut it 2 inches apart. There. There, after this, here. Okay. Seven. Okay. 9. 11. 13.
3.
Once you cut it, you put it to the baking pan.
3.
And we cover it and wait for 30 minutes. It's ready. And what 15 minutes? We're going to bake this for 15 minutes in the oven for 370. Here's the finished product. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Sayonara. Peace.